In this first calculated Ring doorbell footage, a group of men approach a car seller, pretending to be interested in purchasing a Mercedes-Benz. While one of them requests the key to inspect the vehicle, another distracts the seller. Unbeknownst to the seller, the man holding the key secretly clones it. Later, they return under the cover of night, using the cloned key to steal the car with ease. In this bold Ring doorbell footage captured at night, a man is seen jacking up a car with precision and swiftly stealing the catalytic converter.
They managed to remove and take off with the converter in just 3 minutes. Catalytic converter theft is common because these parts contain valuable metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which are worth a lot on the recycling market. These thefts can happen fast, sometimes even in broad daylight, especially in vehicles that are higher off the ground, which makes the converters easier to access.
In this thrilling Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught at night sneaking into a garage and stealing tools, unaware that he's being watched by the homeowner, a skilled kickboxer. As the intruder continues his theft, the homeowner rushes out, taking matters into his own hands by delivering a swift kick to the unsuspecting thief.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this heartfelt Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen approaching someone's door late at night, seeking help in a moment of need. The compassionate homeowner responds by allowing him to stay on the porch, providing warmth with a blanket and socks.
The hospital.
Who?
The hospital.
The hospital?
The mental hospital.
You want the mental hospital? Sit down. Sit right there.
Allegheny, please.
All right, sit right there.
Thank
Sit
you.
right there. Sit right there. Tell him to get on the ring. Tell him to get on the ring. Sit down. Sit down. I'm gonna call the police. Sit down.
I'm sitting.
No, he needs a hospital. You want a blanket?
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Where did you come from?
Nowhere.
Okay?
Will do. Thank you.
I'm scared. Like you're scaring me because nobody.
No, don't even be scared.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're helping me a great deal.
Where did you come from?
I don't know.
Are you drunk?
No.
Do you live around here? Do you know? Do you remember?
No, I don't.
Now go get a pair of socks and some shoes. What's that shoes? Get him some shoes. Smoke, you got some old shoes?
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, two men are seen at an apartment attempting to break into a door late at night. Despite their persistent efforts, they are ultimately thwarted by the security measures in place and quickly flee the scene.
They couldn't get it open, so they just gave up and left.
Okay. Let me see how you get it out.
In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage, a delivery driver arrives at a home late at night to drop off a pizza. However, after receiving what he deems an unsatisfactory tip, the driver becomes visibly frustrated, muttering angry words toward the homeowner before departing.
I just want to say, it's a nice house for a $5 tip.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
In this eerie Ring doorbell footage, all eyes are on a stranger as he creeps around someone's yard in the dead of night. His suspicious movements and cautious glances suggest he's up to no good, as he prowls the property under the cover of darkness. The unsettling scene raises questions about his intentions. In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, a stranger is seen walking into someone's home uninvited, and without any clothes on. The homeowner quickly confronts the intruder, demanding answers as the bizarre situation unfolds.
Yeah! Where's my wallet, bro? Why are you yelling at me, dude?
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen attempting to break into someone's home using tools, while a woman who accompanies him stands watch on the road, ensuring no one is witnessing their crime. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen walking onto someone's porch and knocking on the door, attempting to confirm whether anyone is home. After no response, he quickly shifts to his real mission, preparing to steal from the property.
Hey! Hey!
What?
The f*** off my porch, you son of a bitch!
You brand new here?
Yeah, get the hell out of here, I'm calling the cops!
Alright, hold on.
Hey! Hey, you motherfucker! Hey!
What?
Get the f*** out!
In this surprising Ring doorbell footage, a moose is seen wandering into a homeowner's yard, seemingly lost and disoriented. The large animal approaches aggressively, attempting to attack the homeowner's dog, creating a tense standoff.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this bold Ring doorbell footage, a group of men is seen attempting to grab a package from someone's porch in broad daylight. Their brazen actions are captured on camera, showcasing the alarming rise of package thefts in neighborhoods.
Is that you? A bit packed? I don't know if this is our house, but it's like pretty one of these. It's like post for constipation.
Yeah, probably.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, totally. They keep sending our packages everywhere. My ex-wife and I.
Useless to you. Oh, that's what I meant. Yeah, you found out it was useless to you, so now you want to learn.
Like, I'm very constipated all the time, bro.
Why did you open it up before you returned it? Why did it take you opening it up to return it?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is caught on camera late at night as she attempts to open the front door of a house. In this suspicious Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen lurking near an apartment at night. As soon as he spots an Uber Eats delivery being made to the homeowner's door, he makes a quick turn, indicating he may have been waiting for the perfect moment to act. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a young girl is seen creeping right in front of someone's door, her presence raising immediate concern. The homeowner quickly confronts her, questioning her intentions in this unsettling encounter.
Hello?
Hello, can you drive me
What do you want?
I want you to drive my friends.
Drive?
Yeah, drive me to my friends.
No, thank you. Leave the property.
In this unexpected Ring doorbell footage captured in broad daylight, a scooter is seen getting jammed by a passing car, creating a sudden moment of tension.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.